Hello pool players, I got a great tip for you guys today. I'm going to show you a way that you can gauge your grip position so that you know you're in the right place when you're going through a draw shot. Remember that last video that I showed where I had a straight end 8 ball and had to get back here to the 9, and I addressed the cue ball, but my hand was too far forward, and it was too far forward in that I didn't have a 90 to my upper arm and lower arm, which resulted in me going through the cue ball, lifting up the back and diving at the base of the cue ball with the tip. And that caused a hop of the cue ball off the table. And then if I moved my hand back and had that same address at the cue ball, I would go through cleanly and then drop after impact. Well, let me show you my tip. This is just a rubber band. Just lay a rubber band on the end of your cue. I'm just going to wrap it a few times here. This now acts as a gauge that I can feel so that my 90 is correct. Now I'm going to come into the cue ball. I'll first of all start out with my hand too close. Now that's too close. I'm going to bring it back till I feel the rubber band. I know that's my 90. I'm going to make a nice smooth stroke here. And I have perfect position on my 9. Give this a try, rubber band. Eventually you'll develop muscle memory and you'll understand where your hand should be, and you'll be able to shoot without an aid. If you found this video to be helpful, please share it with others. It'll help my channel. Also hit the thumbs up, it helps with the algorithm. And if you want to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.